They will all wake up. You will see them running.
What's your binoculars?
Hapana, yani anasema jamaa, yani magari yanazunguka tu hapo hata haonekani kabisa vizuri. Bana anaonekana mwenye mti. Bana sisi tumesimama hapa kwenye haya masharubu tuliokuwa tumeona mwanzoni hapa.
Go up to the little one, you gotta deal with the big one.
Picha itatokea nzuri sana hapa.
Nzuri.
Sio wanakuja afu sharubu wenyewe wamelala.
Oh, he's like, seriously? Did the elephant notice him? Don't turn, keep coming. Keep coming. Straight at him.
Oh yeah, no, it's just...
Get one to take the big one, the male, and then the female takes the little one. Oh, there's not another male?
Oh, they're gonna go snack him.
The lion's growling. I want to see that
Hyena is
lion
checking
get
it
up
out.
and take that hyena.
I'm out of here.
Yep, there it goes.
Bye-bye.
I didn't know you were here, guys.
Why wouldn't the lion run if it kept walking?
Oh, they will slap them because they have to kill them to reduce the competition, you know. Hyenas are the most dangerous for the lion's babies.
So they kill it?
Vehicle. See, it's bigger. This is 7-seater. The one is 5-seaters.
That lion is hiding from the elephants, basically.
Don't get up and take the little one.
Suicide themselves.
The mama elephant won't let it happen. Wow. They'll all fly out.
Come on, baby.
Two more steps. Come on, come on.
The lion is looking right at us. Oh, it just turned away.
Oh, the other guys are moving slow too. Man, there's like a good 50 elephants down there. Standing.
So you think the elephants don't know that the lions are there?
They don't, because they need to smell them first. If they don't see, they need to smell them because they have very good sense of smell.
I see.
Eyesight, yeah.
And the wind is blowing away from them, so...
Yeah, the wind is blowing away from the elephants.
That baby's right there.
Let's see what the lion is doing now. Oh, he's getting up. Here's the second one.
Fine. Oh, they got their baby.
Here comes the...
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
Pride coming out.
That male's got to turn around and do something to it.
think more than I even thought.
Okay guys, let's